If you only eat steak for 7 days, what happens to your body? On the first day, you will immediately feel a surge in protein intake. Steak is rich in protein that promotes muscle growth, and your body will start the process of repairing and building muscle tissue. The next day, a remarkable change takes place. Your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis, relying on fat reserves for fuel. You may notice clearer thinking and less hunger. On the third day, your body begins to adjust to the lack of carbohydrates. As the body switches to using stored glycogen for energy, you may feel some initial fatigue. On the fourth day and beyond, you will experience stable energy levels and a reduced appetite. Your body will use fat more efficiently as an energy source, which may lead to weight loss. By day 7, you may be deficient in essential nutrients like fiber and certain vitamins, but many people report improvements in cognitive ability, focus, and mental agility after a few days of ketosis. Follow us for more information.